welcome to my channel. Today I decided to do an unboxing video, and it's because Temu has kind of blown up, T-E-M-U, and it's a new app. You can go online and find it. It's everywhere now, and it's even surpassed Amazon in sales now. It's like one of the #1 shopping places. But here's the catch. Everything comes out of China. Everything's made in China. But that would make you also think, well, it's got to be junk, right? Well, there are no name brands, but you can help me decide, is it all junk, or is it worth more, or is it worth what you pay? I'm curious to hear what you think in the comments below. So let me know what you think, and here we go. So I ordered this. It's a squirt gun. I mean, not a squirt gun, excuse me, a bubble blower for my dog. She loves bubbles, and I spoil her. So anyway, it looks exactly like it did in the picture. It's heavier than I thought it would be, and it feels pretty sturdy. So I will use it with my dog in a minute, and I'll show you that at the end of this video. Okay, next I got these, and they are for holding the little tiny, what do you want to call them, the wires when you're charging your phone or your computer or whatever. You can run a wire through this, and it has a double stick padding on the back, so you can stick it like under your desk or wherever if you don't want your wires floating around. This kind of keeps them in line. So I got 3 of those. I think it was a whopping 99 cents, and they look like exactly what I expected them to. So yeah, I think that was probably worth $1. Oh, by the way, the squirt gun was, I believe, $4.99. Okay, this is a tank top I ordered. It's more of a silky material than I would have thought. I would have thought it was cotton, but I think it's pretty. It's very vibrant. The colors are nice. The stitching is nice quality. I don't see any loose threads or anything. So I guess I'll have to try that on and show you that at the end of the video. Let's see. Okay, I forgot exactly what I ordered too. My whole order was like, I want to say $47. So you tell me what you think at the end. If you think it was worth my purchase price, I'd love to hear your comments if you've tried Temu or Temu and if you like it at all. Okay, same as the other one. It's a little silkier. This one's not quite as silky as the other one, but they are some kind of a poly blend, which makes me think they're going to wash and dry beautifully, because poly blends usually do. Again, it's looks like it's the right size, and everybody on there that reviews it says that they are true to size. So we'll be trying that one on again too at the end of the video. Let's see. I wish I could remember what I ordered, but it's kind of fun. It's like Christmas when you don't know what you're opening. Let's see. Alrighty, what is this? Oh, this, exactly what I thought it would be. Okay, so this, in the pool, you put one of those dandy pool noodles through this part. So your pool noodle comes around there and then comes down to the end and loops through this little loop at the end on both sides, making you a kind of a chair in the water. And I'll put a noodle through that, show you that at the end of the video. Let's see. Oh, these are pretty. I do remember these. These are headbands I ordered. And oh, they're even nicer than I thought. So they're kind of a crinkly cotton on top, but very, very good elastic in the bottom. And oh, let's see, doing it wrong. Let's see if I can even get them on my gigantic head, because yeah, that's always a problem with me. But once adjusted, yeah, doesn't look good right now. But once I've adjusted it, it does fit just fine. So, all right, that's cool. And I got 3 of those, and I want to say it was like, I don't know, $3.97, something like that. So there's that one and that one. And for a little over $1 each, I think these are great. Oh, there's a little 4th of July stuff going on for you there. All right, let's see what else we got. It's fun. Woohoo! Thanks for sharing my Christmas with me. All right, I do not know what oh, I do know what this is. I hope my daughter doesn't watch this video because this is for her. But she's kind of a big deal on YouTube and throughout the anime and Comic-Con things. She has a video channel and a very well-viewed Instagram and all that. But little anime type girl, I want you to see her good. And a little black bunny that she is holding. And I think it's pretty cute. So yeah, that just goes in her arms. And oh wow, her arms move a little bit. So I can, oh, they're like, yeah, they're just movable plastic, so you can put the bunny in or out of her arms. But I thought it might be cute to have her put on the dashboard of her car or something. So I think that's a winner. I like it. That was around $4. Nice little stocking type gift. I don't care how old my kids get, they still get stockings. Tell me in the comments if your kids still get stockings. Yeah, I'm in my 60s and that daughter is in her 30s, but I've got 5 kids. One passed away a little over a year ago, and the other 4 all live near me, so that's really nice. But yeah, they all still get stockings, and my oldest one is in her 40s. And this I was really curious about because I've been wanting like a cream colored purse. And this one really caught my eye. Oh, because of this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful strap for the purse. And this is almost like silk. It feels just like silk. So it's gonna be really comfortable on my shoulder to wear. And see if my hands will let me do this. But it will not only be comfortable to wear, but it will also go over shoulder and cross body, which will be ideal because I like to wear my purse a lot. That way they don't fall off my shoulder. And also it's just a little safer when you have your purse wrapped across your body like that. So yeah, I definitely would say this is a winner. I love it. It's really lightweight, but I mean, for 13 bucks, I didn't expect it to be leather. It's not, but it's beautiful vinyl, I guess. Let me show you better. So it does have, has a zipper inside, right up at the top, right in here. And helps you keep your stuff sorted. And then it has a big pocket on the other side that isn't zippered. And man, with this band, I think it's a beautiful purse for about 13 bucks. So, as I said, this whole haul was around, I don't know, $45, $47 with tax. And I think that was very worth it. Okay, time to try on this stuff I got, and I will let you know what I think. You can tell me what you think. I did go outside. I was gonna get a video of using this bubble blower, and my dog was so excited. She saw me get the bottle of bubbles out and she was incredibly excited. But the first thing I noticed is there's no little screw in this hole right here to the battery compartment. So I got my little screwdriver from my eyeglass kit, popped it open, said it took AA batteries, but can you see a problem with this? Like, you know, that's negative down, positive up. But if you can see, there's nothing in there to connect either of them to. So, I mean, I even tried it like that just to see if I was wrong, but I think there's a reason that screw is missing. Somebody maybe checked the chamber, or I don't know, something happened so that it's just missing a major part inside. But I still like it because I think it's probably gonna do the trick if I get one that isn't broken. So, you know what that means? It means I'm gonna return it, and we'll see how the return policy works. Also, a friend came over because I was gonna have her film the bubbles outside. Of course, my dog was very disappointed when the bubble blower didn't work and she saw the bubbles in my hand. So then I just had to stand there in the, I don't know, I think it's 100 degrees today in southern Utah. And I was blowing bubbles for her, and I about had a heat stroke. And I think she did too. So we'll do that another day. But anyway, when my friend was here, she saw this package. She looked in it, she goes, "Oh, look, what'd you order?" And I looked, I don't know how I thought I was done, This is like a silly putty or a slime or something, but you use it to dust or pick up small little pieces of debris or whatever. My daughter has one. She uses it in her car, and I thought it was awesome and asked her how she did it, what it was, and she said it was this stuff, if I can open it up. She said it's like a putty and it's made for cleaning. And it doesn't really clean, but it does pick up debris really easily in the places you can't reach, especially in a car. So it does stay together in one blob. So yeah, this is exactly like what she has. And you can't dust by dragging it on something. It will just go blah, blah, blah. So you like that, blah, blah, blah. But you just do this. And in the cup holders where you can't really get a vacuum or anything, you just stick this in there and blop it around a few times. It picks up stuff beautifully and does not leave a mark. I even used it on my furniture in the house. I used it on some veneers as well as some wood tops. Didn't leave a mark. So I'm really happy with that. That was a whole $1.49. And I got one for my car and one for in the house because, well, why not? Okay. And I also didn't see these, so these were a hot buy, and I'm going to tell you the exact prices of all of these in a minute. These were not very much at all. I think they were $1. So they're really cute. They're like a little, this is like the little pieces that blow off of a dandelion. And the other one is the actual dandelion. Stop moving. There we go. So I think they're pretty cute. And they're probably not sterling silver. I don't care what they're made out of, stainless steel or whatever, but they're cute. And I've had pieces of jewelry like that last me forever because silver tarnishes and this fake stuff doesn't. So it'll probably stay shiny forever. And this is a toe ring I got. And I don't know if you can see, it's kind of got a twisty pattern, so it makes it kind of sparkle. And I'm going to spare you looking at it on my toe, but it fits my toe perfectly. And I've had other toe rings that kind of pinch on the back of your toe and it hurts. But these have little balls on the end here. I said balls. And they keep it from pinching your toe or hurting too much. So, and then one of the things I was most excited about and didn't see in the bag, I don't know how they packed all of this in that bag, to be honest. But this was a shirt I was most excited about. And that looks giant. So I'm gonna have to try that one on and show you too. Okay, here we go. So this was that little netting that I told you was supposed to make a seat for in the pool. So I did have some pool noodles here and I put one in it, and it does exactly what it says it will. I probably will try it out in my pool later today, but the concept is great. You just sit down in this part and you float because of the pool noodle, and you can also fit a couple of different sizes of pool noodles in here. This is like a medium one, but you can get smaller and larger depending on how much you weigh and how much, how buoyant you want to be. So I think that was well worth the price. So tell me what you think. Do you think it was? Do you think it's a piece of garbage? I kind of like it because it won't take up any room. I already had the pool noodles. This thing doesn't take up any room at all. So to me, that's a winner. Tell me what you think. Okay, so I bought the 3 sleeveless tops. The other 2 were larges. This is a medium and it fits me great. The larges were so big I was swimming in them. It's not worth taking a picture of just me in this giant dress. But all 3 of them came from the same manufacturers, and I followed the manufacturer's labeling as far as sizing. And so this is medium and it fits me, and it's still a little bit loose. The other 2 are giant. So I don't know. You decide if you think it's a bargain or if it's not. So yeah, tell me in the comments below. Would you buy it? Would you not? Curious to hear what you think. Okay, so you've seen everything I got from Temu, and I am curious for your comments to tell me what you thought of all of it. Do you think it looked worth the cost? Would you buy from there? Now, here's a disclaimer because I've watched several videos about Temu and read up on it. And some people think it's conspiracy theory, but I kind of think they're right on. Apparently, when you download the app or order from them, they collect your information. And China's been doing this in various ways through TikTok and other things for a long time. So if you do decide to shop with Temu, do your homework, decide for yourself. I mean, you might wonder, what information do I have? I don't care. But they can actually hack into your phone, I've heard. So I'm probably going to be deleting the app. I don't think they can get the same information from you if you just order online and don't get the app. But I don't know. Something else to look into. Okay, good luck and happy shopping. Have a great day. Bye.